This is brutal power wrapped in an elegant machine.
Another feature as part of this add expense, it's not really an expense, but it's adding a credit note. So that's if you've overcharged someone, or you've got prize money that needs to go back into the account before the end of the month. So again, you can do it from here, or you can do it from here, and you can do it to the horse or to the owner. Select the source, so it might be Racing Queensland. There's an invoice that came through, and it might be that one of these horses, say Lady Chicago, won some prize money. Credit no prize money. You put the amount in, $1,000. Select the receivables account. Now again, this is going to be up to you and your financial advisor. And whatever account you need it to go into. So you again decide what that is. You might have an account that is a credit account. And you save that, and it will split up the cost to each of those owners based on what the total amount is, and then you can save that. If one of them actually doesn't get it, so if there was $1,000, but Alan chose to get his direct to the account, so you actually only had $750 in the account, you could remove my component there, and it would still spit out this $750, or you can just go back to the full amount being paid out. So when you click save, that then now goes in there as a credit note. You can see down here, Lady Chicago credit note, negative $1,000.